Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed about making passive income online, becoming an author without actually writing, or simply finding a smart way to use AI to grow your income, this might be the most exciting video you watch today. I recently came across a tool that completely changes how we think about publishing on Amazon, and it's called KindleMint. Now, if you're like me, you've probably thought about publishing a Kindle book at some point. Maybe you've got ideas for a story, a guide, or a kid's book. Or maybe you just want to tap into the massive Kindle marketplace, but don't know where to begin. That's where KindleMint comes in. This tool doesn't just help you write a book. It helps you do everything from start to finish, and it does it using AI. KindleMint is basically an all-in-one publishing assistant. Unlike other tools that just help you format or write, this one actually walks you through the entire process. I'm talking about finding profitable niches, doing deep keyword research, analyzing your competition, writing your content, designing your cover, formatting the book, publishing it to Amazon KDP, and even helping you set up profitable ads. It's literally your publishing co-pilot. What makes this tool really impressive is how it uses AI to identify what people are searching for on Amazon. That means instead of randomly guessing what topic your book should be about, you can discover real keywords that people are already typing into the search bar. You also get to see how competitive that keyword is and how much other books in that category are making. So you're not just writing into the void, you're building something people are actively looking for. And it doesn't stop there. KindleMint also opens up access to over 16,000 hidden Amazon categories. These are categories that aren't visible on the public site but are still there and searchable. Why does that matter? Because getting your book into a low-competition category gives it a better chance of ranking high and getting seen. Less competition means more visibility, which means more sales. Let's say you find a hot niche. Next, you need to write the book, right? Well, with KindleMint's AI content creation, you just input your topic or idea, and the AI generates high-quality content for you. Whether it's fiction, nonfiction, kids' books, how-to guides, or even something as specific as a coloring book or journal, it builds out an entire book in minutes. The writing is natural and human-sounding, too. It doesn't feel robotic or awkward. It actually reads like something someone took hours to write. But maybe you want to customize things. That's totally possible. KindleMint has a drag-and-drop editor where you can adjust the layout, add images, organize chapters, and tweak the wording. There's no complicated software to install, and you don't need to be a tech genius. Everything is laid out to make your publishing experience smooth and stress-free. Speaking of images, the tool gives you access to over 2 million stock assets, images, illustrations, and vectors that you can use directly in your book. It even comes with over 30 pre-designed templates, so whether you want to create an elegant self-help book or a playful kid's story, there's a look for you. You can also design a professional-looking cover using its built-in AI cover designer. Just type in your title and niche, and the system creates a clickable, polished cover that looks like something you'd see on a bestseller. After you're happy with the content and design, publishing is as simple as clicking a button. KindleMint formats the book according to Amazon's guidelines and publishes it directly to Kindle. No messing with margins or file types, it's all handled for you. And you can publish in multiple formats too: PDF, EPUB, Doc, MOBI. Even for Apple Books or Google Play. One of my favorite features is the built-in ad intelligence. If you want to run Amazon ads to boost visibility, KindleMint helps you find the exact keywords that drive the best results, so you don't waste money. It's smart, it's data-driven, and it's made for people who want results. Now here's the kicker. This tool is available for a one-time payment. No monthly fees, no upsells, no subscriptions. That's rare in the software space, especially something this powerful. And if for some reason it's not what you expected, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. KindleMint was created by Son Ogundele, a name you might recognize if you've been in the online marketing or automation space. He's known for building tools that are simple to use but packed with features, and KindleMint is no exception. Whether you're a full-time author, a freelancer, a marketer, a parent looking for extra income, or someone who just wants to try something new, this tool is designed to help you succeed without the usual headaches. So if you've ever wanted to publish a book, start a side hustle, or build a passive income stream, now's a great time to take action. You don't need to be a writer, a designer, or a marketer. You just need a tool that handles all that for you. And KindleMint does exactly that. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If this video helped you, hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to earn smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.